we guide you through how to fix iPhone notification not working. So the first thing you need to do is to check your phone if silent mode or focus mode, and then make sure focus, do not disturb, or sleep mode is turned off because this will block alerts instantly. Next, go to Settings, tap Notifications, then select the app that isn't sending alerts and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. And enable lock screen sounds and banners so nothing is missed. After that, go to Settings again, tap Sound and Haptics, and make sure the ringer volume is not zero, and Change with Buttons is enabled so you can adjust it easily. If it still doesn't work, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update because outdated iOS can cause notification bugs. You can also try restarting your iPhone by holding the power button and sliding the power off, then turn it back on to refresh the system. And lastly, if everything fails, reset notification settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but will fix system glitches. After doing these steps, your notification should start working again normally.